I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hello people and hello universe, it's me again. Shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan, especially the Marcos loyalists and supporters. Nako, mayroon tayong very important update video sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung guys sinagot na naman ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. yung tanong tungkol sa ICC. Alam nyo, kahit 1,000 tanong ang itatanong nyo sa kanya kung magbagong isip niya, hindi po talaga magbago eh. Kaya ito para kay Attorney Roque, na sana po Attorney, lubayan mo na si Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa kababanat mo po sa kanya. Kasi hindi na po maganda eh. No? Lubayan nyo na lang po kasi si Pangulong Marcos Jr. nagtatrabaho po ng mabuti. Kayo naman, puro kayo banat ng banat sa kanya, lalo na po dito sa issue ng ICC. Siguro po matauhan kayo dito sa sinasabi niya, sa sagot niya na naman. Ito kasi guys, yung interview ng mga media itong araw na ito, no? Pagkatapos nung isang event na parangal yata sa mga artist, no? So in-interview siya ng media. Tinanong ng isang reporters, no? Journalist ba yan? O yes, na kumusta daw yung issue sa ICC, kung magbago daw yung isip niya. Nako, sinagot niya na naman na hindi nga talaga mga kababayan. Paulit-ulit niya sinasabi, pero ito si Attorney Roque walang katigil-tigil sa kababanat sa Pangulo na sana po lubayin nyo na ang Pangulo. Hindi po kayo nakakatulong sa pagsolusyon sa problema ng Pilipinas. Puro kayo banat ng banat sa kanya. Anong ambag nyo? Grabe, imbis gumaganda ng ekonomiya ng bansa ng ito, kayo naman, puro kayo banat sa kanya. Ewan ko dito sa mga tao na ito. Ayan, mga kababayan, malinaw na malinaw yung sagot ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. tungkol dito sa issue ng ICC. Nakakaano lang eh, no? Yung parang nakaka-imbier na itong mga tao na ito na pinaparatangan ng Pangulo, walang isang salita, 'di ba? Parang walang balls tungkol sa issue ng ICC. Ano ba yung sinasabi niya? Mula nung 2022, sinabi niya yun, yung kanyang stand tungkol sa ICC, na hindi nga pwede mag-imbestiga dito hanggang ngayon sa araw na ito. Anong date ngayon? Tuesday, February 20, 2024. Yun din ang sinasabi niya. Hindi po nagbago, may isang salita ang Pangulo at isang gawa. Yan po ang tapakatandaan nyo, Attorney. Lubayin nyo na si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Kaloka talaga, oo. At isa pa guys, yung issue dito, tungkol dito po sa sa ginagawa ng China dito, sa paglason dito sa Baho di Masinloc, yung cyanide na yan, no? Ngayon, pag napatunayan na yan, na talagang ginawa nila, magpa-file ng kaso ang pamahalaan. Nako, ito pa, at isa pa, itong issue dito sa House at ang Senado, bakit daw hindi pumapagitna ang Pangulo? Yun po ang pagkakaalam nyo. Kaya iwas-iwasan nyo manghusga sa Pangulong Marcos Jr. kasi hindi po kay Pangulo. Hindi nyo alam ang kanyang mga ginagawa. Matagal niya niyang kinakausap ang both House at ang Senado tungkol dito sa issue about sa mga nagkaroon ng kagulo. Yun ang alam nyo eh. Yan, sinagot niya na naman dito. Diba? Kaya iwas-iwasan nyo yung magpapakalat ng fake news. Walang katuturan po yan. Hintayin nyo na magsalita ang Pangulo. Galing sa kanya dapat. Katulad nito, interview ng media, mga kababayan. Nakakaano lang eh. Siyempre, magre-react ka. Taga-supporters ka ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Siyempre, nakakarindi din sa tainga yung mga tao nito na puro paratang, puro bintang. Mahirap patunayan. Mamaya, lalabas ang katotohanan. Di nakakahiya sa inyo. Katulad yung ginawa ni Attorney Roque. Puro bintang sa Pangulo. Walang isang salita tungkol sa issue ng ICC. Ano ngayon ito? Di kahiya kayo. Sinagot na ng Pangulo paulit-ulit. Wala kayong tiwala. Kaya mga taong ganyan, wala kasi tiwala sa sarili. Kaya ako, 100 million tiwala ako sa Pangulo. Kung ano po yung sinabi niya, yun dapat ang paniwalaan. Naku, hindi kayo ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Kaya itikom nyo na yung mga bibig nyo, no? So yun guys, panoorin nyo itong interview niya para malinawan lahat itong mga salot sa lipunan. See you again on my next upload video. Bye 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 and baboos. God bless Philippines.
And that's what's important. Sir, are you done with your consultations on
months ago.
So what's your preferred mode for
What's happening now? What's happening now? First step is, I always said the Senate will take the lead. The Senate is taking the lead. And between the two houses, they will come to an agreement, and that will be the way we'll do it. But I don't know why there is such. It's really a storm in the teacup, because this has been decided very long ago from both the leaders of both houses. So maybe I don't proclaim. Sinasabi na kailangan kung pumasok, matagal na ako nakikipag-usap sa pagkakatila. But it's what for me is more important than to make these proclamations, what's a pronouncement. So it's more important is to get it done. So that's what we are doing. We do it quietly. We do it, without any fuss. We just want to get those amendments incorporated into the Constitution to improve the chances of investment and upskilling of our people.
May alleged cyanide fishing. Alleged cyanide fishing.
Yeah, that's what the best that we know is that there really is, as far as we can tell. Sabi ng BIFAR, talagang merong ginagamit. Meron naman nagsasabi, matagal nang ginagawa yan. And I do know that there are cases of cyanide fishing before, even here in the Philippines. But I think that the reason that it has become more alarming is that it has become more prevalent. Okay, yun ang inaalala.
Are we going to file a case? Kasi sabi ko ni Secretary Malaya, parang they are intent to file a case against China.
If we feel that there is enough ground to do so, we will.
Mr. President, I understand you've already given your stand regarding the ICC probe, but 55% of Filipinos right now approve of the cooperation of the government with the ICC probe. Your thoughts on this? Is there a possibility that you change your stand with regards to this, considering that more Filipinos are approving of your cooperation?
Well, it opens a Pandora's box, because again, it's still those questions of jurisdictions and sovereignty that I haven't yet seen a sufficient answer for. And until then, I do not recognize their jurisdiction in the Philippines. I cannot. That seems to be the only logical conclusion that we can come to in that situation.
But there's still a possibility that you will change your mind later on if you see more evidence.
No. It's not about the evidence. It's about the jurisdiction of the ICC in the Philippines. They can produce as much evidence as they want, but they cannot act upon it in the Philippines. That's the point.
But their presence here, you're approving of it.
I don't approve or deny it. But they haven't done anything illegal. Once they do, of course, we'll do something about it. But we are an open country. We're not a closed country. So.
Sir, balikan ko lang po yung event. Gano'n po mahalaga yung pagkilala ito para mag-proceed pa po yung iba nating artist sa napili nilang track?
Well, alam mo, lahat naman ng mga ating mga artists, whatever field that they're in, talagang tuloy-tuloy naman yan. They really work hard at their art. Kasi iba yung art, iba yung creativity is something that you cannot deny. It's something that comes out whether you like it or not. Kailangan sumulat ng poetry, kailangan mag-pinto, kailangan sumulat ng music, kailangan mag-perform, it will do it anyway. What's important is the support from government and support from other areas, hindi lang government. But government must take the lead. And the reason why I consider it very, very important, and I've always done so, is because the culture of a country is the definition of its people. Yung kagaya nabanggit ko kanina in my remarks, sinabi ko, the artists define our culture. And the culture is the shared consciousness of the Filipino. And it is the answer to the question, what is it to be Filipino? Silang sumasagot ng tanong na yun. Kaya napakahalaga ng kanilang ginagawa. Hindi lamang dahil nag-i-enjoy tayo dahil ang ganda ng painting, ang ganda ng music, ang ganda ng building, ang ganda ng mga kanilang ginawa. but also because it's important because of that, because they serve as a unifying influence for